To those who want to get into the business, ano ba ang madalas na challenges ninyo dito?
Well, definitely it's a race to the bottom for a lot of our customers. And you have to balance talaga yung, giving in to discounts, ganyan.
Right.
Pero enough is enough minsan.
Yeah.
Yun yung mahirap i-draw yung line. And that's where I also struggled in the beginning.
Yeah, pero hindi ba kayo natatakot sa mas malalaking packaging na suppliers?
Definitely, hindi naman sa natatakot kami sa kanila, but actually we embrace na may mga clients na hindi nila masa-service.
Right.
Yeah.
And they won't be able to give the same quality of service na kaya namin ibigay kasi yun nga, we're a small company, we have a smaller operation, and we can focus more.
Yeah, that's true ha. Pero kasi ang sobrang tricky ng packaging sa Philippines. I would say, like, coming from a business standpoint also, packaging is the most needed item for every single business. So, how do you balance out, like, making sure na meron kang high quantity order like RC Cola? And how do you prepare yourself just in case mawala yung isang malaki?
Yeah.
Ano yung ginagawa nyo in preparation for that one?
Kailangan talaga ng pipeline. So, we're always moving, trying to get a new client. And actually, there was a time also na wala sa amin yung RC Cola.
Oh.
And thankfully na lang na we won them over.
Right.
Before we actually suffered.
Mm-hmm.
Pero ganun din sa smaller customers, we try to balance yung retail to those na key accounts. And that's really where the art is kapag nagpapatakbo ka ng business.
That's true.
Doon yung diskarte lumalabas.
It's the dance between the highs and the lows, I
Yeah.
guess. Yeah.
So since nabanggit na ni Victor yung pipeline, medyo papasok na tayo nito sa processes
That's
sa
true.
systems. And nabanggit mo earlier also na old school si Dad. Di ba?
Yes.
So, ang question ko lang, before you come in sa Manbrella, kamusta yung transactions? Was it talagang old school? Paano yung
Ledger.
operations nyo? Can you just walk us through paano yung operations before Victor came in?
Well, yung benta madalang yun noon talaga.
Right.
Especially in a trading business model. No, kasi liligawan mo talaga yung client and then you pair it with a supplier.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe in a given month, handful of orders lang eh.
Right.
And yun yung nung dinala namin locally yung business, that's when we started seeing daily orders, which is dun din nagkakaroon ng momentum yung sales team. You get to celebrate
Confidence.
small wins. Exactly. Yeah. And then eventually, nakaipon ng portfolio of customers.
That's true.
And then, dun na yung nagpipick up ng traction.
So, paano yun? Do you do it like manually? Kasi di ba sa mga ganyan, kunwari ako,
Yeah,
Sir,
manual.
pa-quote naman po ako ng ganitong
Yes.
number of items. Paano niyo po siya ginagawa before?
Manual talaga, spreadsheets. Until now, part of what we do are still on spreadsheets. And then, mga emails, nandyan lahat. And recently na lang nakapag-introduce kami ng tools, yun nga, like e-commerce for the smaller
Accounts, yeah.
accounts.
Right.
And then, yung big customers, syempre, we hands-on pa rin kami dun sa kanila.
So ano yung effect, Victor, ng you have to do everything manually, especially for quotation? Kasi di ba parang...
Mabagal.
Speaking of mabagal, syempre, I think for some clients, talagang may frustration no? Parang
Yes.
when they ask you a specific quotation, di ba? Parang gano'ng katagal ba yung timeline?
Turnaround, yeah.
Turnaround
Because sometimes,
time.
nagmamadali din yung iba.
Yeah, once we have all of the information, sometimes we have to sit down one full day para lang mag-come up with a selling price.
Right. So, ano yung parang frustration mo when you saw that, ano ba yan? Ang tagal natin gumawa ng price. And sometimes kasi, pag may mga nag-order, pwede niyo po maibigay sa akin in 2 hours yung
Yeah. Oo.
Diba?
Oo. That's what they expect na makakapagbigay ako ng price right away.
Right.
Sometimes nga, bibigay ko na lang, kaya mo bang mag-import? O yan, dollar price, mas madali.
Aha.
Diba? Pero, hindi naman lahat kaya nun. No?
Right.
So,
Mahirap din talaga eh. Kasi sometimes, yung demand din ng customer.
Yeah.
Minsan, kahit gusto mong ibigay na now na,
Yes.
hindi mo rin syempre mabigay. Kasi you also, baka mag-drop ka ng price na hindi
Yes.
naman,
yeah.
hindi
takes
naman
time.
aabot, right?
Takes time.
And sometimes, minsan hindi lang naman siya it's not always about the price.
Exactly.
Yes.
Like for some clients, whoever is the fastest to, give them the quotation or the fastest response time
Yeah.
actually wins the deal.
That's me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's actually me, I think.
O boss, deserve mo malaman ng buong kwento niyan.
Huwag kang mag-alala. The full episode is now up on YouTube and Spotify.
Follow us on our social media pages for more updates. This is
Benta Bosses by Quotable AI.